Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to check character limits in Deepl. First of all, to check your character limits guys, you would need to first check the pricing here. And the pricing itself explains for each individual pricing or plan what kind of basically character limit you do have. So let's start with the individual. The individual will have around 300,000 characters per month, which is basically your limits. So if you're paying $8 per month, this is what you're getting. Now for the team one, well, you will have 1 million character, but here's the trick. The team you're not paying only for yourself, so you are paying for your team, the whole team. So for each user you do pay for, you will get another 1 million. So for example, the main account will have 1 million, and if you do have five other accounts as your team members, each one of them will get another 1 million character per user. So in total, you'll have like 5 members and you, so 6 million character per month. There is the business one, which is unlimited characters depending on which plan you do have. So here the business plan is around 60 bucks per month. It will have unlimited characters, so this is very good for those who are going to use this application pretty much every day, every moment, with like blogs and writes and stuff, and basically they need it pretty much for everything that is related to their business. Well, this plan is very good as long as you don't really pass the 1 million. As long as you pass the 1 million, I mean, then this plan is perfect for you since it's gonna give you a lot of other features that's gonna be very much like precious, like groceries 2000, which is compared to the team plan you only have 5. So yeah, the business plan sounds really good. So yeah, this is the character limit for each plan: 300,000, 1 million, and unlimited. That was it. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next upcoming video.